Alright, today we're going to look into replacing the starter on this 2016 Hyundai Elantra. Customer said it wouldn't start, diagnosed it. It does indeed need a new starter, so we're going to head and replace that. So just follow along. So what you first need to do is get the car or get underneath the car, remove the splash guard with various clips and connectors, and then you'll be able to see the starter itself. The starter is here. You have this bolt that you need to remove and the bolt that's on the other side, in that same general vicinity, but on that other side. The connectors you're going to have to remove are the ones that connect to the starter here, the electrical one that goes to the battery, and just various connectors there. So the first thing, so with the two bolts, like I mentioned, the starter sits up in the engine bay like this. You have the bolt that it's visible down here, and then on the other side you have the other bolt. The connectors that I had to disconnect was this clip here, and then the one that goes to the battery terminal, which the sizes are 12 and a 14 that you're going to need to replace it. And as far as where the engine compartment goes, I'll show you guys how it looks. So like I mentioned, the bolt goes through here, it connects to the starter, and then on the other side is the other bolt that you see the entrance for over here, where my finger is over here. The connector, like I mentioned, this connector also will help you remove it, but it's this alternator one. There you go, alternator, and then the clip that's for the starters, and that's it. Like always, thanks for watching, and until next time.